On February 3rd, a train carrying vinyl chloride and 9 other hazardous chemicals flew off the rails and started a massive fire just outside East Palestine in Ohio. To avert the explosion, crews released the contents of 5 tankers full of vinyl chloride, an extremely combustible substance that is used in plastic production. Vinyl chloride is a colorless gas with a mild, sweet odor that is used primarily to make polyvinyl chloride, PVC, plastic. It is also a known human carcinogen, and exposure to high levels of vinyl chloride can cause a range of health effects, including liver damage, nerve damage, and an increased risk of certain types of cancer. Vinyl chloride is also associated with increased risk of liver cancer and other cancers, according to the U.S. National Cancer Institute. The environmental impacts of vinyl chloride mainly include the following aspects. 1. Vinyl chloride is a volatile organic compound in the air, which can cause air pollution, possibly leading to global warming and damage to the ozone layer. 2. Vinyl chloride is difficult to decompose in water and can remain in the water, causing toxic effects on aquatic organisms. 3. Since vinyl chloride is mainly used in the manufacture of plastic products, wastewater and exhaust gas from plastic factories may contain vinyl chloride, polluting the surrounding environment. 4. As vinyl chloride is a known carcinogen, environmental and health risks for workers and residents exposed to vinyl chloride need to be adequately addressed. The impact of the gas produced by the combustion of vinyl chloride on human health and the environment. Vinyl chloride is a toxic and flammable gas with high toxicity and risk, commonly used in plastic products such as packaging materials, household items, and wire coatings. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, in the United States warns that exposure to vinyl chloride can cause dizziness, drowsiness, and headache, and long-term inhalation of vinyl chloride may cause brain cancer, lung cancer, and some blood cancers. Previously, the Associated Press quoted Neil Donahue, a chemistry professor at Carnegie Mellon University, as saying that burning vinyl chloride may produce dioxin, which is a worse carcinogen than vinyl chloride and can persist in the environment for many years. Dioxin is an extremely toxic and persistent organic compound that can cause a wide range of hazards to the environment and human health. It is a byproduct that is typically formed during the combustion of organic materials that contain chlorine, and in some industrial processes. In the environment, dioxin can persist for long periods and accumulate in soil, water, and living organisms. Its effects on ecosystems include toxicity, bioaccumulation, and slow biodegradation. For example, dioxin can affect the reproduction, growth, and immune systems of wildlife and have negative impacts on biodiversity. Its effects on human health include carcinogenicity, immune system damage, reproductive and developmental problems, and damage to the nervous and endocrine systems. Long-term exposure to or ingestion of dioxin can lead to a variety of health issues, such as skin diseases, digestive problems, cancer, and more. Therefore, controlling and reducing the emissions and exposure to dioxin is very important.